Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the function f of x is equal to 2x plus x squared to the fourth power. And we're asked to express this function in the form f of g. So we want f of g of x being equal to f of x, which is 2x plus x squared to the fourth. Now, there's many ways to do this. Right? There's not just one pair of functions that will compose to be this. But when we're doing these problems where we just have to pick anything, I think it's easiest to do the easiest one, where we have something to the fourth power. So let's say f of x is equal to x to the fourth. And then g of x, our function inside, is just whatever is inside of the fourth power in the original function, which is 2x plus x squared. So then when we do f of g of x, we're doing f of 2x plus x squared, which just means that we're raising this to the fourth power. Therefore, this is our f and g for f of g of x to be equal to capital F of x.